Joe and Doug are friends who want to make a website for the game review podcast they're working on. They realize they need to use the language JavaScript to embed audio in their website. They look up tutorials and find CodeParty.org, which has a sign-up form right on the front page. They sign up and are immediately prompted to start a group, which they form with each other. They also mark their group as open to one more member and fill out the matching form. They proceed to complete the first couple of lessons together on the JavaScript track, and their answers are recorded so that they and others can talk about them and comment on them. Elsewhere, Sam hears about NodeBots, a JavaScript robot programming community, and wants to learn JavaScript so he can make his own robots. He signs up and sees the option to join another group. Not wanting to go it alone, he fills out the matching survey, which brings up Joe and Doug's group. He joins it, and Joe and Doug's group automatically closes. He sees that Joe and Doug are a few lessons ahead of him, so he does the lessons on his own to catch up. When he completes them, his answers are compared side by side with Joe and Doug's on the answer page, where they can discuss the different approaches. Since Sam has caught up, he, Joe, and Doug can all work on the same lesson together. They're all in separate locations, but the collaborative editor allows them to discuss and form one solution all at once. Meanwhile, Jenna needs to learn about streams in Node.js for a Node-powered server at work. She signs in with her Stack Overflow account, which keeps her from having to create an account, plus CodeParty uses her score and answers on Stack Overflow to estimate her existing expertise. She completes all the streams lessons on her own, which doesn't take long due to her prior expertise. She is congratulated upon completion of the lesson and is awarded points on her account. She is then prompted to evaluate beginner's responses for additional points. Seeing Joe, Doug, and Sam's last answer at the top of the list, she opens it and leaves a comment on how they could have created a more efficient answer. The three are notified about the comment and, finding it useful, give it an upvote each. Jenna is then notified that she received points from the votes, raising her account's overall rank and score. CodeParty.org, the collaborative code learning website and toolkit.